Holy shit!
It runs.
It runs.
That won't wake the neighbors up at all. What's the decibel level you're allowed to have?
Hey, it's Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and I have returned to Epic Adventure Outfitters to continue our 840 horsepower Gladiator build. And we have Magic Mike just putting on the finishing touches, hopefully, on Cerberus and the Rad. Maybe we'll get a startup today. What do you think?
We're coming along, we're getting close. But now I gotta figure out these hoses. I gotta make a bunch of cuts, custom up some hoses for the coolant. Then I gotta do some wiring for the computer because they changed the computer in this. I gotta make a change to one of the plugs so that it'll adapt onto it. So that'll take a little while to do. Getting really close to getting this started.
Perfect.
House music.
Getting pretty close, eh?
Yeah, we're just doing the final little bit here for the electrical. I'm just making up a bracket so I can mount the fuse holder here. After that, I just gotta finish the exhaust, then we'll fill it up with fluids and see if she'll run. Make some noise. some of that nice supercharger whine noise.
Yeah, piss off some neighbors.
Neighbors.
Move your body. Is there house music after death?
We are definitely inseminating some fluid into the tank. As you can see, you got a little push-pull plunger.
That's quite the unit.
Instead of having to fight with it up front, I'm kind of cheating the system, pouring it in right into the tank here, just because it takes so much fluid.
It's like something out of a space movie.
Move your body.
Bumper is ready. We're doing fluids, waiting for the exhaust. It's almost time.
Let's do the coolant first. How about that?
Move your body. Move your body.
Pay attention, guys. Might learn something.
Pretty exciting. We're gonna hear it fire up here. Open header. Not technically. Is it technically open header if it's got a down pipe?
Oh, hello, sir. How you doing?
Okay, do we think we're ready?
Hello, YouTube world.
Okay, are you capped off on the cooler?
Yes, sorry, yes.
I'm doing a throttle relearn. So a relearn on the throttle pedal so that it knows what wide open throttle actually looks like.
Okay.
And I'm going to reset all of the adaptives that may or may not be in the PCM and TCM from whatever AMW sent.
How comfy are those seats?
They're pretty good.
Yeah?
They would they'd be a little better if they were maybe bolted into the truck. Just saying. Here we go.
Holy shit! Can't feel my legs. You put in earplugs?
I put an earplug
Pussy.
What?
Jesus.
Actually, wasn't too bad.
That was absolutely nutty.
Yeah, normally you don't start a truck without the exhaust on it, but this is where we're at right now, so it's been that kind of day.
Yeah, we all wanted to just hear it run.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know it runs. Now I can do the rear end.
Good job.
Thanks.
Very well done. It's been a long
that.
road, but it started.
It's been a long road with lots of bumps and curves and smashes and bashes and cuts and bruises and crying and being yelled at by the ginger.
Just texted Rich that the demon is alive.
Loud.
It's alive! Oh man.
How was that from the inside?
It was violent, let's say.
Was the seat vibrating?
It smells nice in here too.
Right? I love that smell. The smell of fresh engine.
Oh yeah.
It's the best.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, so Cerberus has finally started, and this is very exciting. It sounded amazing without the exhaust on it. Not the normal way to start it, but we had to get it fired up to make sure that there were no leaks and everything was working as it should, and it does. It sounds amazing. As you can see behind me here, we have the axles, and that's what's going to be going on tomorrow. Plus a little bit of testing, and then the final reveal of the 840 horsepower Jeep Gladiator Demon Cerberus. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys next time. Beardo from White Rock Dodge. Bye!